Hi, I'm Brian. Today I'm going to begin a series of videos that are going to examine the IFS functions. These are new functions that came out with Excel 2019 and 365, and these are going to allow you to check for multiple conditions within a single cell. Now, as you can see in the example that I'm showing here, I need to determine a total, which is going to be my subtotal multiplied by a tax rate depending on the state they live in. Now I can check for whether they're in Ohio, New York, or Pennsylvania to determine which is the appropriate tax rate to apply to the subtotal. Now in the old days, if I used an if, I could check for a maximum of 7 different things within a single if formula. With the new one, the ifs, I can check for up to 126 pairs. And when I say pairs, I mean I'm checking for a value, and if I find this value, do this. What happens when I get into a more complicated situation, as you can see in this case, where I need to do the same thing, but my information is already embedded inside of a much more involved cell? Instead of having to do multiple cells to columns in order to create the situation, we're going to create a much more involved formula, although involved may sound complicated, but when we break it down, you will see that it is rather simple. It will be a series of nested formulas inside of the ifs to determine which state and then determine which is the appropriate tax rate to apply. So we're going to go through and we're going to start with an ifs, and then we'll move into a search and then an is number to combine it all into the nested if. So stay tuned. I hope that this sounds exciting for you, and I look forward to next session. Until then, take care, and remember, if you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and have a great day.